All right, going to show you how to create a Facebook page from your personal page and also your Meta Business Suite. Now, do not mind the blurs because I will show you first how to create it from my personal page. So what you want to do is actually log into Facebook on your personal page. Once you've done that, you should have access to your profile and make sure that it's your profile that is showing on the top right here, as you can see. Now, once you do that and you've logged in, what you want to do is go to the left here, to the left, you see home, and then that's my profile tab to the left, and friends, and under you see pages. Okay, awesome. Once you do that, what you want to do is click pages. And once you click pages, you should have a view like this, what I am seeing, where you can access the pages you've created. But since you might have not created any page yet, this might be blank. So once you have done that, you want to go to the bottom here, scroll a little down and see this plus icon where it says create a new page. Well, tap that. Awesome. Now, it's now going to ask you for your page information, the category, the description, and pretty much that sets up your page. So we will show you exactly how what you type here on the left shows up to the right, and you could take it from there. Now, let's type in a page name, and it's good to sort of understand this process because it will help you if you are going to be also using the Meta Business Suite to actually create a page. Pretty much the same process. So let's create a page name, Marketing Basics that are dope! Exclamation mark. Yeah. Now, when you're creating a page though, you might want to make sure that it's aligned with your brand. So this is just an example of a page that we're creating. You do not have to create it in my format. Make sure that it matches your business or it matches your brand or whatever you're targeting. All right, we'll move on. Now let's, as you can see, the name Marketing Basics that are dope is invalid. All right, so we're going to take that out. I think it's too long. So, and no exclamation marks, right? As you can see, no exclamation marks work there. All right, let's go to category. Now you choose the category that your brand or your business falls under. So in our instance, we're a marketing agency. So let's just type in marketing agency. And so we can have any of these. We could choose internet marketing service. You could choose advertising and marketing, and you could choose marketing agency. So let's do internet marketing service. And you could choose more than one category. Marketing agency, advertising and marketing, and that's it. Those are all our categories that we have picked there. And this helps you because it sort of exposes you to people that are looking for stuff, exposes people, to your page. And these are people that might be looking for stuff that you have to offer. Okay. Now let's type our description. We help businesses succeed through digital marketing. Right there, marketing. Okay, wow. Sorry, the fingers are not working as right today. Marketing. Okay, all right. So here we are. So what I'm going to show you, as you can see, all the changes we've made here have sort of reflected on the right here, but let's go through them. Okay, marketing basics that are dope. Nice. So you can see to the right here lists the page, marketing basics that are dope. And remember, again, it will not take exclamation marks or funny signs. Nope, as you can see, invalid. So you want to make sure you don't have those there. Marketing basics. And if your page is not available to be picked, in case somebody's picked that title or something, I guess it'll show you. But you know, if it doesn't work, you're going to be able to see here. And if it works, you're going to get the green check mark. Okay, so to the right, marketing basics that are dope. And then it shows our category. But as you can see, it's the first category that it shows. So let's take out internet marketing service. You see what happens? It changes it to marketing agency. So now let's go back here now and add internet marketing service. And so I will implore you to pick one that you think really describes the agency right off the bat as the first one, because that's the category that is going to show up here. So if you want to be presented as a marketing agency, in our instance, as an advertising marketing, if it's advertising marketing, we would X this out and make sure advertising and marketing are on the top right here. Okay. So again, it's what's on top here that shows here, and that's very, very important to people just viewing you right away. Okay. Now, your about. This is your about. We help businesses succeed through digital marketing. All right. So what you do here is anything you've put here shows up here, as you can see, and any changes that you make will show up here. After you've done that, all you have to do is tap Create a Page. Once you create a page, now you can start to add images, your contact info, and other details after you create the page. But these are just the basics that you need to know in setting up the page, and you can pretty much take it from there. Now, it's good to sort of understand this, because what we're just going to show you in Meta is how to start this whole process, because it's pretty much the same process, right? And so we will show you that here. Now, when you log into Meta, what you want to do is make sure that you are under your main page. You're under your main business page, and you want to go under Pages to the left here. As you can see, Pages to the left, or left tab, Pages, tap Pages. Now, when you tap Pages, a whole host of all these things show up here that you probably won't see because we're going to blur them. But what's important to you is the add button on top here, the add button. So once you are logged in, you click add, and then you scroll down to create a new page. As you can see, you need a new page for your business. So once you tap create a new page, it asks you, do you want a local are you a local business or place, a company or organization, a brand, a product, artist, band, or public figure, entertainment, cause, or community? You could pick any of these. Now, if you pick a local business or place, you are going to have to enter the information, the page name, the category. You could choose that. As you could see, all those that we had listed, your street address, your city, and your zip code. Now, if we create a new page, we could see your company name. You wanted to pick a company name or organization. See that? Just minimal. Page name, you choose your category, and then tap create your page. So they're all different. Create a new page, just what I want to show. So you want to make sure that what you're picking, is aligned again with your business. Because once you pick a local business, you'll have to fill out more information. So depending on what you pick out, though, you will have to fill out information to create your page. But that's pretty much it. You pick out your brand, you name your brand over here, you choose your category, you create your page, and then you just take the steps back up from where we left off right here, which is you creating your page name, adding more categories, creating the description, adding more pictures and the banner pictures. But that's how you can pretty much, in a nutshell, create a page on Facebook, on your personal Facebook page, and also through Meta Business Suite. Hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to create great content for you that makes your life easier. Take care.